Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Hey there. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make when studying for the CCNA exam and how to avoid them. It's important to be aware of these pitfalls so you can navigate your study journey more effectively. First off, many candidates fall into the trap of overthinking questions. It's easy to get caught up in the details and second-guess yourself, but this can lead to confusion and incorrect answers. To combat this, try practicing answering questions under timed conditions. This will help you build confidence and train your brain to focus on the core concepts rather than getting bogged down in unnecessary details. Another big mistake is not having a structured study plan. Without a clear schedule, you might find yourself with knowledge gaps or running out of time to cover all the topics. Take some time to create a detailed study plan that covers all the exam objectives. Make sure to allocate specific time for each subject and set deadlines for yourself. This will keep you on track and ensure you're making steady progress. Now, here's a crucial point: don't neglect hands-on practice. It's tempting to focus solely on theory, but practical experience is invaluable. Make use of simulation software like Cisco Packet Tracer to reinforce your learning through hands-on labs. This approach will significantly improve your troubleshooting skills and give you a much better understanding of how networking concepts apply in the real world. Another common pitfall is relying too heavily on rote memorization without truly understanding the concepts. While it's important to know certain facts, it's even more critical to comprehend how everything fits together. Instead of just memorizing, focus on understanding the underlying principles. Try to relate the theory to real-life scenarios and practice applying these concepts in simulations. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of soft skills and exam strategies. It's not just about what you know, but also how you handle the exam environment. Practice time management by taking mock exams under timed conditions. Develop stress relief techniques to help you stay calm and focused during the actual test. These skills can make a big difference in your performance on exam day. By keeping these points in mind and actively working to avoid these common mistakes, you'll be setting yourself up for success in your CCNA exam. Remember, it's all about building confidence, having a solid plan, getting hands-on practice, truly understanding the concepts, and being prepared for the exam experience itself. Keep at it, and you'll be well on your way to acing that CCNA. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.